In this video we're going to show you how to access your Exchange mailbox online via a web browser, whether it be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, and there's many more out there. Most web browsers will be able to view it. Open your web browser. I've opened Google Chrome here. Click on the address bar at the top and type outlook.office.com. Here it'll ask you to log in, so you enter your full email address. Click next, enter your password, click sign in, and it'll ask you would you like to stay signed in on this computer. If it's a computer only you use, then yes, I would say yes, otherwise click no. Once logged in, you're into your inbox, you get sent items. It'll look exactly the same on any computer you log into. It'll look exactly the same as if you are using the Outlook desktop version as well. Everything synchronises instantly. You also have calendars, contacts, you have attachments, to-do lists, Microsoft Word online, Excel online, PowerPoint online, and OneNote online, all built into this one package. You can also use Skype online if you want to, and it's just a fantastic product to use. So it's dead simple to do. Outlook.office.com and sign in. Sign out, click on the top right hand corner here where you have your initials, click sign out, and that's good to go.